Are you aware that there is something about you which makes your friends and colleagues gain more confidence in you almost every day? There is something about you that has made some of your friends keep close friends with you for a long time. What could that be? Let's find out together. Don't go away. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Elevation Chapter, the space that promotes human connection, spreads positivity to recover humanity. My name is Lelio, and in today's video, we're going to talk about 5 things that keep your friends glued to you, what I may call your connection superpower, the CESP. Pay attention and find out your connection superpower so that you can leverage on it more for your human connections. I may not mention everything in this particular video, but it will give you an idea of what CSP is so that you can use it efficiently and enjoy this gift of life. Okay, our number 1 connection superpower is good communicator. You are good and confident with words and expression. We all know, in simple terms, communication is the exchange of information, whether verbally, non-verbally, whether written, or any other form of communication. Some people have it as their CSP. You find, for instance, your family and friends or colleagues, when they need someone good at negotiating, bargaining, writing speech or delivering speech, or getting into storytelling or reconciliation, you are the go-to person. Your name comes out fast and you enjoy doing it because it comes so easy for you. Let's have an example. Perhaps you are organizing for an event and definitely there are things to be bought. Say it's a wedding and your friends know you are gifted at negotiating. They will reach out to you and request for your help to bargain for certain services. You have the CSP in bargaining and negotiating, and it's making you connect deeply with your network. Maybe you are good at reconciling people. Maybe you're good at writing. Name it, etc, etc. So find out, is your connection superpower in communication or not? Connection superpower number 2, good judgment. You are the kind who never talks too much, but your judgment is powerful. You are gifted in a way that you are able to connect with yourself and follow your intuition very well. So your network is always happy to seek for your input before making major decisions. Wow, you are the type that digests things and asks questions no one could think of. These guys are amazing people. And shockingly, such types of connection superpower are not talkative. They seem to always be quiet. But when they are giving their own judgment about any topic or subject, you will need to take notes, trust me. These guys help out mostly with the business ideas, relationship challenges, career challenges, investment dilemmas, etc, etc. So could this be your connection superpower? Do you have one of these in your networks? Find out please and leave a comment for us in the comment section. Connection superpower number 3, kitchen wizard. You are the kitchen wizard. You are the kitchen wizard. You are the type almost everyone reaches out to for special and unique recipes. In fact, sometimes you are called upon to give a hand when there is an event. And just because this is your thing, you never tire to help out. You are always in between phone calls, text, emails, and other communication medium, giving recipes and helping out your friends or sharing the new recipe you got. These guys are embarrassment erasers when it comes to family or friends small events. As for me, I think I have only one recipe I'm proud of. My family and friends trust my chapati making skills. Yeah. What's yours? So the question is, do you have a kitchen wizard in your network? Or are you one? Connection superpower 4, honesty. Honesty is one of the very rare currencies in life. Out of 100 people, and this is just my thoughts, out of 100 people, I think only 15% can turn out to be honest. All the time, not sometimes, but all the time, these guys are honest. I am even beginning to think that percentage is also too high, given that we all know what it takes to be honest. So anyway, some people's connection superpower is being honest. This is not a cheap group because being an honest person is very expensive. But then, these people are usually connected much better than any other person because their family, friends, and colleagues find it worthwhile to engage them at a different level altogether, which is deeper than the ordinary engagements that the majority of the people always engage in. To make it simple, there is no one who enjoys human connection than an honest person. And if two honest people get together, wow, they can easily get high on connection. Please understand me. Such deep connections are very rare to catch. So my question is being honest your connection superpower? Do you have one who has this power? Please leave a comment and tell us about it. Connection superpower number 5, general knowledge. You are the kind who is almost like a walking encyclopedia. I remember when we were in school, we had a paper called general paper. Today, I would equate it with these interview aptitude tests. You would expect any question in that paper. So we have people who are very good with information, that almost every day they have 1,000 plus updates on different subjects. Now that's something over there. That is something over there. They love information from tax to forex to politics to football to technology to health, name it all, anything that you can mention. These guys are always equipped with information, and that's their connection superpower. You can call them on any topic and their response will most definitely be accurate, even if you double check. They are the special gems, I tell you. So, are you one of them, or do you have anyone like that in your network? These guys are equally special. So this marks the end of our 5 connection superpowers. But like I said at the beginning of the video, this is not all. I was just giving an idea such that you figure out your connection superpower in case it's not mentioned in the video. It will help you leverage your need for your networking or human connection goals. And our today's quote is from Tom Ford. The most important things in life are the connections you make with others. So like Tom Ford says, find out what your connection superpower is so that you can connect even deeper than you are already connecting now. Thank you so much for watching. To be honest with you, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your likes, your comments, and emails. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and share the video with others. We shall meet in our next video. I love you all. Let's soar. Cheers.